It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2013 F-150 XLT in sterling gray. It has gray cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. You've got a rear sliding window as well as a tonneau cover and backup camera. It also has a 5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. You can take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with manual lumbar, all-weather mats on the floor, and you've got your lighting controls, and a running board makes it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our dash controls, cruise control, volume, media, and hands-free dialing. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and a menu will come up as well. We can go through the menu. So gauge mode, trip AB, fuel economy, truck apps, settings, information, and they all have sub-menus. You have an automatic select shifter, and on the end, when we press it, it's got tow haul. That'll appear to the right of the odometer reading, and then press it again, it'll go off. Little cubby up top, you have your traction control, and then we have our screen here with our radio. We have AM, FM, and Sirius satellite radio, as well as a CD player. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, we don't see the backup camera view. Here, we see it up here in the rear view mirrors, right at eye level. And then your center line is located there. Green, yellow, red is just showing you how close you are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. I'm gonna put us back into park. There you go. There's your CD player, hazard lights, volume and tuner. And then down below, you have your front defrost AC and max AC, as well as your heated side view mirrors. And there's your fan and your climate control. And then we can pull this open. In there, you've got a 12-volt USB and auxiliary line in. You can just pop that closed if you'd like. And then you've got your 4x4 with locking differential. You also have an integrated trailer brake controller. In the center, you've got an armrest with a couple of cup holders. You can unclip it. There's some storage in there. And then flip it up for another seating position. It's got its own seat belt. Unclip it underneath, and you've got more storage. You can also pull this out, and you've got a place to put items or drinks, whatever you'd like. Got a little cubby, a 12-volt glove compartment, grab handle in the body, and then your mirror is auto dimming. You've got lighting controls and 2 sunglass holders. 17-inch wheels, chrome and black running board, black door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. It's got a nice tonneau cover and the black handle in the rear. As well, you've got the backup camera just below the Ford badge, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open it up, simply put your hand in the latch, lift up, and it'll come right down. You've got a nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab, and then you can lift the seat right up, giving you more room on the floor. And then when you want to bring it down, just pull the tab forward again, and it'll bring it right down for you. There's carpeted mats on the floor and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You have a 12-volt and little bin, and then up top is dome lighting. Off to the side is hooks. In the back is access to a sliding window. Chrome bumper, 6.5-foot box, tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.